Hi guys, it's your girl Kendi and welcome back to my channel. And for the ones who have already subscribed, thank you so much. Got mad love for you. I know it's a new vlog channel. Come on, support your girl, man. Support your girl. Subscribe, leave a comment, and also view the entire video. Okay? But now, today, we're in my kitchen because of one thing. I'm going out for lunch, okay? But this friend that I'm going out for lunch with has a habit of telling me, can we just buy a bottle or something and let's just go in your house and back to your house and chill? So I want to make sure I leave my kitchen clean. So I'm going to clean up this area. Yes, these nails clean. They don't just cook. They clean. They clean. I know they're long, but they do clean. Okay, so we're going to do that. But the reason why I'm showing you this is because also I want to show you what I do with my sinks, and it makes my whole house smell very nice, because you know sinks venye mnaekanga machakula zinanukanga vibaya sana, yani you know after some time, so you gotta do some things to make them smell nice. Okay, and for me I gotta do that whether I like it or not, because my house, as you saw on the video for my apartment tour, you can view it, it's just right here on this channel. It's an open plan. Okay, so it's an open plan apartment, so whether I like it or not, I gotta make my house look nice and smell nice at the same time. Okay, so stay here, view, subscribe, enjoy, tell your friends, and let's get started with this video. Mwah. From yesterday. I don't want to make stuff, baby. Wanna come in? Come in. Call me Kendi.
Yeah. Red Sun, scratch on the beat again. At this video, girl, them wine it down. Wow, wow.
So let me wine party corner, boy. 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 So let me wine party corner.
Yo, me lose my mind when me see you. Cause right now me want give you. Inna me gym me just see you. So press your body right on the corner, let me give you. Cause girl, me love the way your body offensive down. Push by me right in the place and kick on. We shell off the roof of us, so can we at the dawn. Everybody know we not let this place a sit down. Nothing none of your wine on my body, girl. Really work was so natural. Watching you show how special. Yeah, you're the general.
So let me wine party corner, boy. 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 So let me wine party corner. It's burning inside of me, the memories of me and you, just like an inferno. The love that I got for you, I lose my sleep over you, boy, but it's okay. I lose myself over you, boy, but it's okay. So let me wine party corner, boy. So let me wine party corner, boy. So let me wine. Niwe tunapenda, siwezi kukutenda tena. Niwe tunapenda. penda, penda, penda. Siwezi kukutenda, tenda, tenda. I lost myself with you. Lost control for you. Stuck on you forever. Forever.
Cause you know me number one in the race, yeah. Got your body hot, you make me muscle ache, yeah. First class ticket, take up to Jamaica. One time she went for me and everybody rate, yeah. Hot girl and everybody have to shake her. I'm in the power sauce, you the generator. Place your body for me right till a later. Bend your body up, shake it like a salt shaker.
Let me keep my loving for you. Let me keep my loving for you. Can you handle it? Can you handle it? Original Gucci, Pia Vinci. Can you handle it? Can you handle it? Niende holiday, party party. Pia Dubai, nika party party. You call them vanity, I call them basic needs. Can you handle it? Can you handle it? No need to rush to me, no, no. Niko fitini, ukiwa solo. Kweli utaweza ni ano. No need to rush to me, no, no. Niko fitini, ukiwa solo. So, the last thing I do after doing my cleaning in the kitchen is make my sink smell nice. That helps my kitchen also smell nice. So I just boil rosemary's just like that, nothing else, and then I just pour that in my sink. Mnajuanga tukiosha vyombo kila time kuna food zinaanguka huko ndani, so sink inaingia hapo imesmell vibaya. So pia hiyo maji moto pia inasaidia hizo mafuta na nini zina melt, so they go away, so your sink doesn't block. Okay, so I'll show you how we do that. And yeah, so here are my rosemary's and they smell so nice. Okay, they smell awesome. So you can see it's a lot of them. I'd already pre-boiled the water, so but I will still boil them a little bit more, a little bit longer. I feel like I need to add more water. So anyway, the water is already, the rosemary water is, wow, and already the whole house is smelling, like I can smell it from here. You know, the whole house is smelling beautiful, beautiful. It's smelling so nice. So now I will take this just a bit. Oh, the other thing, I'm not going to throw away these rosemaries because you can still reuse them again, maybe later in the day, not the same day, not like tomorrow. Like now when I do the dishes tonight, the dishes that I'm going to use for making dinner or something like that, after I do those dishes, I'm going to also boil these rosemaries again, and I'm going to use the water and pour it in the sink to make the sink smell nice. Then I can throw them away. So I'm not going to throw them away now. Okay? I'm pouring this into the hole. Don't worry, the leaves, the whatever else, the light is seeping. So do the same in the other side. Wow, it's hot like shit. It's really hot. Oof. Already I can smell my sink smelling awesome. It's too hot. That's good now, so I'll just take out this and go pour these leaves aside in the bin. And there. So guys, I'm done with the cleaning. My kitchen is spotless now, as you can see. So I'm gonna say goodbye, but first of all, and wow, wait, first, this place smells heavenly because of those rosemaries, you know, and not just the sink, actually just the whole house, because you know the boiling of the rosemaries, it's so the whole scent goes everywhere, so the house smells mwah, okay. And now you can still see the clothes over there. Unfortunately, this house, the washing area is just right there. It's an open plan type of an apartment, you know. So, and I cannot remove the clothes. They're not dry, and also don't like doing laundry at all, like 000. My maid Rose is going to do that tomorrow. So now I gotta have to say goodbye, guys. Mad love for you. Please do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment, view the entire video, and also share with your friends, okay? And the Bodice Chick is out. See you next time. Mad love. Yes. Mad love for you. Anyway, may God bless you and continue doing the best.
Hard girl and everybody have it shaker. I'm in the process, you the generator. Place your body for me right till later. Bend your body up, shake it like a salt shaker. Let me keep my